approach me.
In a quarter of a mile, make a U-turn on Lurgan Road, A26.
الحمد لله. والله يا جماعة كل ما أتذكر المرة اللي معاها طفلة دي جار عليها عربية بتاع الطفل قلبي يعمل شح.
Make a U-turn on Lurgan Road, A26. Then in 200 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
سلامة والله كرامة وسلامة. كرامة وسلامة. Tell me I have to go that way. Yeah. It is this house. Look how do I put the camera.
Navigation started. Continue northwest on Lurgan Road, A26. Then in 150 feet park on Lurgan Road and destination is on the left.
Yeah, what a nice house. What a nice house. What a nice view.
Navigation started. Northwest on Lurgan Road, A26. Then in 500 feet turn left onto Meadowbank.
This is gonna be a very tricky one to return. But good thing is the neighbor has a very good space to return or to reverse. Oh my god. Alright, people, drive. Look at me. It is raining. It's gonna rain now because of the clouds.
In 100 feet, turn left onto Meadowbank. In 300 feet, park on Meadowbank and destination is on the right.
Oh my God! Look at this neighborhood.
Park on Meadowbank and destination is on the
Look.
right.
Body bag number 21. Just here. I almost finished. This is my last destination. This is the last neighborhood that I'm delivering in. This is house number 24. I think it is this one. See, I have only 2 deliveries now. It's gonna be 28, 29. I'm gonna go to 29 first. No, 28 first. What? I don't have to do. No, I have to reverse. Yeah. No, I have to go.
Navigation started. Due south on Meadowbank. Then in 700 feet, turn right onto Meadowbank.
What a beautiful girl. No, don't say that. Slow down, children are playing. Nice neighborhood. Turn right.
In 250 feet, park on Meadowbank and destination is on the right. Park on Meadowbank and destination is on the right.
That's very hard. والله يا جماعة يا حليلنا. Alright.
Navigation started.
يا حليلنا.
East on Meadowbank. Then in 150 feet, arrive at the destination on your left.
يا حليلك النايم على حيلك على قول كوثر أختي. She's reversing. And this is the last delivery. This is the last delivery. يا حليلك النايم على حيلك. 41. Last delivery. It's house number 101, which is this one on the left. What a beautiful neighborhood. Now I need to take a picture, and we're done. Look at this neighborhood. And now I have to go home. See, it says your voice matters. Overall, how satisfied are you? delivering package with Amazon. Very satisfied. Now it's very nice weather. I'm very satisfied. Upcoming offers, no upcoming offers. So now I finish all deliveries, have to go home. This is 2 hours 30 minute 2 hours 30-minute deliveries, which is 29 deliveries. I picked up my delivery 2 o'clock p.m. 2 p.m. And 2 p.m. is supposed to finish 4:30. It's supposed to finish 4 o'clock 30 minutes. 4 o'clock, yeah. But I finished it in 1 hour 53 minutes. I finished it in 1 hour 53 minutes. That's very nice delivery. By the way, for those who's gonna ask me how much is this delivery for 2 hours 30 minutes, is gonna they offered it for 56 pounds. It is 56 pounds for 2 hours 30 minutes, and I delivered it in almost 2 hours. That means it's gonna be around 28 pounds per hour. That's 28 pounds per hour. That's very nice delivery. I have to go back home. I finished, and I have another application I advise everyone who is doing deliveries to use, which is this application. It is recording the places you go. It tracks you. It records all the places that you have gone to. I'm gonna press in now. I'm gonna show you. In this delivery, I drive for 1 hour 58 minutes, and I have went to 19 miles. That's long distance. Now I'm gonna show you, all these are the journeys that I have done. I'm gonna show you the places that I have went to in Northern Ireland. This is the UK right now, and it is uploading because I have gone to lots of places, and the application have lots of data of the routes that I went through. So that's lots of data. So right now the application is uploading those data. Look, this is Northern Ireland. Look at all these distances. Look at all these roads. I went through all these roads. I did deliveries to all these places. Almost 95% of Northern Ireland, I went to all these places. Derry, I don't know where is this place, but this is the roads. This is the places that I went to. Anyway, that's nice. I like it. I need to charge my telephone. I have a recommendation for you guys. If you have iPhone, buy this cable. It's very nice, flexible. And I put telephone here, my telephone here, and then I'm gonna disconnect this. I'm gonna use my fast charger. I have 2 sockets for type C. Now I'm gonna, which one of them is 15 watts and the other one is 30 watts. This is very fast charger. I'm gonna charge my phone while going back home. And look, that is that. Type in your destination. And search, and it gives you the destination. 1 hour 40 minutes oh my god, that's so long. It's 19 minutes, yes. Let's drive this 19 minutes. All right, look good.